There is nothing inherently special about this 3D printed jar by Jopek Design. However, I think its overall simplicity and the fact that you can print it in vase mode make it extremely practical to use for all kinds of things. Being that it is printed in vase mode, it only has one wall, extruded in a spiral without the need to lift the extruder. This makes for extremely smooth prints with essentially zero printing artifacts found on normal prints. This design also has a lip on the inside to seal whatever it is you plan on storing, and it was printed for around 40 cents, making it worth it to print several if you'd like.